Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to our channel's unboxing of ThinkGeek's Star Trek theme Epic Box. In this box, you will receive 5 different items, with 2 of those items varying from box to box. So now we're going to open this box up and see what we got. Now all the items will come in this bag. As you see, we already had opened it to check out each item, but we're going to show you what each item is. First up, we have the 50th anniversary of the Star Trek Original Series pin, celebrating that 50th anniversary mark. Next, we have the lanyard. Now, it does have the status colors for red, blue, and yellow, along with the Enterprise shown throughout. Now, on the lanyard itself, it does have an insert that does have the Enterprise on it, as well as the Star Trek 50th anniversary on the back. Now this here is the mystery item within the box itself. It is a magnet, so you can put it on your refrigerator or anything like that. Now they do have other items that come in it. We did order 2 boxes, so we did receive the Vulcan LAP insignia. So we're pretty glad with that one. We also have the Mark II phaser as a keychain. Too bad they did not include the light up with it, because that would have been kind of cool if the front would have lit up for it. Now in this nice looking velour pouch, there actually is the coin itself. Now the coin does come in bronze, silver, and gold. We did receive the bronze in one box, and we did receive the gold in the other box itself, but we're going to show you the gold one itself. The gold one itself does have the Enterprise on it on one side, and when you flip over, it does have the Star Trek insignia in the back, or the actual logo. So that's everything that comes with the actual Epic Box from ThinkGeek. If you're a Star Trek fan, this is definitely a nice investment. It's not that expensive, and the quality is actually very good. So on that, thank you for visiting our channel, and have a wonderful day.